A new green species of iguana discovered in the south of the island has sent wildlife officials into overdrive. Those experts are trying to avert a potential wildlife disaster. The new species, ranging in length between 1.5 feet to 6 feet, has been sighted along the Soufrière River and other parts of that town. Wildlife officials say the green iguana bred in the wild and the species is multiplying rapidly. Wildlife Officer Donald Anthony says the integrity of St. Lucia's indigenous iguana is now under threat.
Two have been caught, an adult and a sub-adult, and they are now in captivity at our zoo. And there are several more reports of other iguanas out there in the wild. Now the implication of this is very serious because in St. Lucia, we have our own native, unique iguana, which is different to all the other iguanas in the Caribbean. So much so that very soon it will most likely be our next endemic species. Now having a foreign green iguana on the loose in Soufrière actually poses a serious threat to the integrity of our own species.
But the native iguana is not the only animal species threatened by the recently discovered green iguana. Anthony says countless other wildlife species are in danger.
They could hybridize, they could interbreed and actually nullify our status of uniqueness. Added to that, foreign invasive species can pose a direct threat to other wildlife and biodiversity in the country. They can harbor foreign pests and disease. They can compete or even outcompete your own native species.
Forestry officials are now on a mission to identify and capture the foreign species at the soonest.
We intend putting a task force together, one where they will be searching out for the iguanas in Soufrière, and another group will be actually capturing those wild iguanas. And we want to work on it as soon as possible.
Anthony says DNA samples will be taken from the captured iguanas. He says they will be euthanized, the only means of protecting the native species. Alison Kentish, HTS News, Channel 4.